Looking for the perfect holiday recipes that balance festive indulgence with healthy eating? Here's a collection of 10 must-try dishes to keep your Christmas both cheerful and wholesome. Roasted Brussels sprouts with pomegranate. Crispy roasted sprouts topped with pomegranate seeds and balsamic glaze. A festive delight. Cranberry orange quinoa salad. Quinoa paired with dried cranberries, orange slices, and toasted almonds, all tossed in a zesty vinaigrette. Herb-crusted salmon. Baked salmon fillets crusted with garlic, parsley, dill, and lemon zest. Serve it with green beans for a light and flavorful main course. Cauliflower mash with garlic and thyme. A creamy, guilt-free alternative to mashed potatoes, blended with Greek yogurt and roasted garlic. Stuffed acorn squash. Roasted squash filled with wild rice, mushrooms, spinach, and cranberries, topped with toasted walnuts. Turkey and sweet potato meatballs. Healthy, baked meatballs paired with a light cranberry dipping sauce. Perfect for any party platter. Spiced pear and walnut salad. Mixed greens, sliced pears, feta, and walnuts drizzled with a tangy Dijon vinaigrette. Whole wheat gingerbread cookies. A wholesome twist on a holiday classic with natural sweeteners and warm spices. Greek yogurt parfaits with berry compote. Layers of creamy yogurt, sweet berry compote, and crunchy granola. Great for Christmas morning. Dark Chocolate Almond Bark. Thin, rich chocolate sprinkled with toasted almonds, dried cherries, and a pinch of sea salt. These recipes are your key to celebrating the holidays with flavors that indulge and nourish. Which one will you try first?